Well, if you have heard of warriors, this is the perfect time for you, warrior cats, into the forest. Go on warrior cats because it's us. I am Hunt, www.warriorcats.com. But not that I would know that. I am Tiger Star. Less than that. I'm an evil cat that takes place in a deputy's death in warrior cats. I'm the most treacherous cat in the forest, almost leading the clans to their death.
What is it?
So, in my opinion, you're all a bunch of mass-brains. Mass-brains means crazy. So get on to warriors.com and vanquish me.